What is up, boys and girls? Welcome to TVET Tutorials. My name is Doc and I am back. Yes, I am back with another video for you guys. On today's video, I want to discuss with you the impact of technological resources on the performance of a management assistant, right? But before we get into that, you know what we have to do first. We first have to get rid of the nice stuff. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, come on, click on that subscribe button, click on that bell icon so that you get instant notifications for every time we drop new content. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to be left out, right? Now, all the links to our socials will be in the description box. Make sure you check that out. If you want to see a specific video, communicate with us and we will make it happen. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get into the video. Right, so the invitation of the microchip has had a major impact in the office and technology, right? It brought about a technological explosion and enabled large amounts of information to be instantly available. The management assistant's work is directly affected by this development. It contributes to easier, faster, and more accurate output, right? So here's how basically the management assistant's work has been affected by technological resources. The first point, we have asserting accurate and complete output. So the computer software is designed so that the computer can process information by means of data input. This means data must be entered correctly because incorrect data can only be corrected after processing, right? Data is extracted from several documents that are entered by the data input operator. Then source documents must be completed and captured correctly, right? Next point, we have providing rapid communications. The computers and network systems enable users to separate computers to communicate with each other and obtain information. Several users can simultaneously communicate on a central network, time sharing, right? Users at different locations can place or extract information directly on the computer by means of telephone lines or online, or satellite communication such as wireless communication. Then we have the next point, the computer as a storage medium, right? Now, upon processing data is automatically stored on the hard disk of the computer, external hard drives, or mainframe computer. Now, the external and internal storage devices are used to extract and utilize information. Right? Next point is increasing productivity. Computers and computer software develop at a very fast rate, as does the speed at which the computer processes the information. At the same time, more specialized computer software and user-friendly programs are developed. This simplifies the management assistant's tasks and ensures more efficient performance. It is therefore necessary for the management assistant to keep up to date with new trends, developments, and upgrades. Next point, we have transforming the way of learning. The rapid release and the amount of information released can cause information overload. However, this is not necessarily something to be negative. Being exposed to information can lead to the information being looked at critically, applications being tested, and the brain being more creative when integrating information. Right? That is that, Bafetu. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you find this lesson to be informative. Make sure you click on that subscribe button, you click on that bell icon so that you get instant notifications. Hang on, let me say it again. If you're watching this video and you still haven't subscribed, come on now. Click on that subscribe button, click on that bell icon so that you get instant notifications for every time we drop new content. You do not want to miss out. All the links to our socials will be in the description box. Make sure you check that out. If you want to communicate with us and let us know which videos you'd like to see, please do so. We'll make it happen, because we care about you that much. As I always say, from myself and my team at TVET Tutorials, adios.